For palazzo pants, we need 2 meter fabric, scissor, matching thread, marking chalk, measuring tape, elastic, and sewing machine. Folded a fabric according to a lengthwise into a two part. For palazzo pant measuring, I am using my fitted pants and first folded a pants into backside and place a pant into fabric and trace a 1.5 inch extra for seam allowance, and then trace a pant cross area to legs. And then cut a fabric. Just folded up pants into a front side and trace a 1.5 inch extra to both sides, and then cut a fabric. And then sewing a front to front cross area and same back to back cross area. Next, I am making a pocket. My pocket length is 11 inches and breadth is 14 inches. And then folded a fabric according to a breadthwise from center. From the folded side, we will make a curve and then cut it. We will attach the pocket on the front side of palazzo. And then leave 1 inch on the top and then mark a point at the about 5.5 inch. This is to insert the hand inside the pocket. Breadth of this line should be ½ inch and then join both point into a straight line, and then same repeat on the pocket. And then stitch on this marked line. Make a small cut of about ½ inch outside the stitched line. Turn it towards the wrong side. Make a top stitch. As this is the right side of pocket, so turn it towards the wrong side to stitch the bottom part. Turn it towards the right side. Make a straight stitch, but make sure that you do not stitch the mouth of the pocket. Then place palazzo back part into a front part. And then stitch a palazzo outer side. And then stitch the inner side of legs in a piece. And then stitch a palazzo bottom part. To make a waistband and then cut a 34-inch length and 5-inch breadth. Then place the waistband wrong side out on the top of palazzo right side and stitch it. And then insert the elastic. Okay, now my palazzo is ready.